Claudia from RealFoodies.com/tastybits, and we're here today at Kitchen on Fire in Berkeley, California. So there's a reason you don't really see lime peel garnishes very often, and it's because they're pretty hard to make. Today I'm going to teach you the cheating method on how to make a perfect lime peel garnish. So in order to create one of these swirly cues that you usually see made with lemon and placed on top of a cocktail, you use a channel knife. I tried that earlier. It's really not easy with a lime because the lime doesn't have a lot of pith, so it breaks and it's a difficult thing. So what I did last night, is do a nice little slice of lime like this. You open it up. This is really difficult. That's why this is not the cheating way yet. Mamma mia. Like, who wants to do this? And then you twirl and you twist. But I don't have all day. Do you have all day? It's pretty, but not worth it. Okay, so this is what I created. Let me show you. So instead, I grab a peeler and very gently and carefully just kind of go back and forth like that because, again, the lime peel is so thin, you're trying not to get very much of the pith. And here's the cheating method. Twist it like this. It's pretty sturdy. And if you put this in a little cold water, it'll retain its shape for a while so that you can throw it on your cocktail when your guests are ready. Isn't that cute? So now we have our finished lime peel swirly cue, and I have a couple choices. I can put it on the side like this, or I can just drop it in the middle. Chin chin.